Today we will talk about views. Okay. So this is the view page, right? Okay. So what this view means? It shows how a list of records for a specific entity is displayed in the application. Okay, so you can control which columns to display and width of the columns and default sortings, whether it is ascending one or descending one, or we can apply also the default filters. Okay, so you can edit the columns from here itself, and we can edit the columns and filters in the backend also. Here you can, if you want to edit the columns, means just we will add the columns here. Just if I want that account number and mean just click that and just close and just apply that, you will see that the account number is reflected. So if you want edit some filters, means you can choose some filters. So choose owner should be equal if or otherwise you can add some other filter also. So for example, if I want some of the accounts address city is equal to Coimbatore, means I can apply the filter here and choose apply, and it will reflected in the UI. Okay, so now I will tell how it will the views get created in the backend. Okay, go to. So the views are of three types. So first one is personal view, system view, and public views. Personal view means you and anyone else who has an at least user level access can create the personal views. System views is created or customized by the system administrator or system customizer. They only can edit the system views. Then public views means it is mostly for general purpose views. You can see it in the view selector and or subgrids in your form. The views can be added to your form and dashboards too. Okay. So I am going to create a new view. So you can see in the default solution, you can see number of views for account entity. I will show that too. So in default solutions, we have number of views, okay, that active accounts, all accounts, some are public views, some are advanced find views, and some are quick find views like that. So if we want to create some new views, means how can we create? I will show now. So once you click new, so I have to give the name for the view, sample view, sample one. So this is the account name is the column. So I want to add some more columns to the view. So I will go to add columns. I will select which columns are required. So I will select that account number, city like that. Then whichever columns you want, you can select it from here. So just like email. Okay. So just once you select the columns, then you can edit the filter criteria. So if you want to edit some filter criteria that account names should equals to Selvi or address city equals to Coimbatore, like that, you can apply it from here also. Okay. So you can also configure the sortings, whether it is an ascending one or descending. So here it is sort by account name. So I can select whether it is an ascending order or a descending order. So if you want to select some other fields, you can also select it from here. Whether the address city should be an ascending or descending one, you can also select it from here. Okay. So if you want to that account number should be after the address city means just click that field and click this one, this arrow. It will move to the next column. Okay, so you can select the columns where we have to design like that. So after that you click save and close. So the views got created, then you have to publish all customization. So I have one question for you guys. So if my view is not reflected in the UI, where I can go to see? Anyone can answer for my question.
You have to choose in the main form. We have to choose it's active or inactive. In that menu, it will display. We have to choose that.
That is the sitemap designer. Are you saying?
No, no, no.
So in the sitemap designer only we have to see whether the whether the view I have created is selected for reflecting in the UI or not. So if my view which I have created is not reflected in the UI means you have to go to sitemap designer and you have to check whether our views got selected for that entity or not. Okay.
Okay.
We will see whether our views got. So I have another questions. Can anyone can answer? So if I want to see the records of another entity means what I need to do? So look up. So if I want to see a single record means I will go for lookup. If I want to see the list of record means, so that time we will go for subgrid. I will show how to add the subgrids in your form after that. First we will see whether our views is reflected in yes, it's got reflected. So if it is not reflected in front end means you go and check in the sitemap designer. Okay, got it? Any doubt
Okay.
up to this?
Yeah, Sylvie, before you were just telling about that subgrid, right? Can you repeat it? I did not get like exactly. Till the lookup, I just got that, but
Okay,
post that.
okay, I will show how to add the subgrid in your form. I will show now. Okay,
Okay.
so subgrid is nothing but you can see the list of records of another entity. If you want to see, for example, it is a student entity. So, right. So, if you want to see the list of records for account entity means in you have to see it in the students form itself. Okay. So, that time you will go for subgrid. So, I will show you how the subgrid will look like in the front end. So here it will show this section is a subgrid one. Okay, so I will show you how you have to embed with the form. So I have to create one section. Okay, so in that one I have to add the subgrid. So I give it my subgrid name as account. So I have to select record for only the related records for all record types. If you select all record type means you can see all out of box entities. Related record means if for a account it will show only the account related entities only, they will show in the entity. If you select all record means you can see all entities. So I want to select account. So the view is my active accounts list of records only. I have to see in the subgrid of your student form. Okay. So After that, I have to save and publish. So after that, before that, I want to name the section also means you have to click it double times. It will show the section properties. In the section also you have to give the section name as account. So you can label as account and click OK. Then the section name has changed to account. So you can see that list of records from account entity, right? In a student form. You can also edit the section name should be visible or not. So from it here, if you want to click, if you click double times, and you have to select the show the label name of the section on the form. Please explore all the options in the form designer. Okay. So click, you have to click OK. Save. So you can see the section name in the form. Okay. Like that, you can give the name for tab also. If you want to rename the general name as summary means the tab. Just to you can see it is a tab property. Before that, it is a section property. If you select that general means, you can see the tab property. So I have to rename as summary means. Can relabel it here, and you can select so the label of this tab on the form. Click OK and save and publish. So you can see the tab name as summary. So you can label the tab and section name as whatever you want according to the requirement. So this is the up to form, sorry, up to view customization. We have covered. So do all the hands-on as fast as possible. So kindly explore what is managed solution and unmanaged solution. So you will have questions from that also on Friday. So up to whatever we have covered, we have Muthu will ask questions or otherwise team will ask questions. Kamal Sindhu or myself. So we will tomorrow we will see about the relationship behaviors and about business rules. So please do all the hands-on as fast as possible today. So only I have end up the session very soon. So kindly use this time and cover the hands on, all the hands on.